the Democratic Party is desperate. And the Dems have a desperation strategy. It's replaced the Southern strategy. They're trying to hold on to power by any means necessary, and they'll say and do anything to hold on to power. That is the nature of man. But it's not just power they're trying to hold on to. They're trying to duck responsibility for what 60 years of their policy has wrought. And I say that as an African American, we have been the lab rats of the Democratic Party.
Yeah.
And they have told us, and we have believed, hey, you don't need family structure. You don't need a father in the home. You don't need education. All you need is the government check. And then worst, you don't need your biblical values and principle. You don't need the 2,000 years of collective wisdom found in the Bible. The government and the liberal Democrat, the atheist Democrat, we will take care of you. Man is your God. The white liberal is your God. And we have abandoned it all. And now we look up and go, holy cow, look at this mess. We have no family structure. We've bought into the matriarchy. That doesn't work. And the Democrats don't want the responsibility for the mess they've created. So look what they've done. Instead of saying, you know what? You're our most loyal demographic. You've bought every sick idea that we have sold. It's our fault. No, what they've said, it's those Trump supporters.
Yeah.
They're the ones that told you this government check would replace a father. They're the ones that told you, hey, the Bible is evil and it led to all the problems you have and all the racism in America. It's those Trump supporters. They did it. It's a ducking of responsibility. I do think black people are starting to wake up to this scam, but I just see a desperate political party willing to do and say anything to hold on to power, blame Trump supporters for their policies, and demonize everybody that's not on their team.